How to install and download Binance app. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to download and install Binance application on your device. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. If you are on Android, open Play Store. If you are on iOS devices, open the App Store on your device. Log into your particular account on Play Store or App Store. Tap search button at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap search bar at top of the screen. Type in Binance. Open it and here tap the install button once you have got the correct application on your device. Wait for a while until the installation process has begun and ended. Once it completes, you can easily create an account on it and start using the application. So, Binance is basically one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a platform for buying, selling, trading, and managing digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. So, that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.